Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
We are live now, sir. I'm going to mute myself, sir.
Okay.
Right, sir.
Just 1 minute. So I have to. Yeah, I will just.
Yes, sir. You can start with that offline questions and then come back to the YouTube chat questions, sir.
All right.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so good evening, everybody. So welcome to the live session for the manufacturing automation course. Now, we are expecting that you have some doubts, and we are here to clarify your doubts. You can write your questions in the in the Excel sheet, okay, or in the chat box. So I got few questions here. How to attend the class, okay. Why the part orienting devices in track are active. Okay. Now, in the part orienting devices, the tracks can be active or passive. That's one thing. It is not only active. All right. See, what happens is you have to understand one thing, that in part orienting device, the what the part orienting device does is that if the part is coming in a proper orientation, it will pass through. If the part is not coming in the right orientation, either it will reorient it, which we call as an active device, or it will reject. Reject means it will go back to the bottom of the orienting device. So in the part orienting device, okay, if it is inside the ball, that means the part orienting devices can be either active or passive. But if it is in the part track, in that case, that if the part is rejected, it cannot go anywhere. So therefore, it has to be active. All right, that is the answer. I really enjoyed your course. Okay, thank you very much. I'm happy that you have enjoyed, and I hope it has been useful for you. Now it has some doubts. You have some doubts. What is the current exam pattern and how to crack the exam with good marks? Current exam pattern will be that in the exam we will have two types of questions. One is that MCQ. That is, there will be 4 choices or 5 choices. You have to select one of them. All right. And the second type of questions will be the numerical. So the numerical questions will be that you have to solve that question. You have to work it out, and the answer you have to write. So you'll be given an embedded, the calculator. You have to use that, solve the question, and then write the answer. Okay, for writing the answer, you have to, you will given option there. There will be mouse or the keyboard. So those questions I have discussed in the in my class also. I have given you examples of the numerical type questions. Okay, you can practice them. And for each topic, there can be some numerical questions. Okay. So if you go through the topic very carefully, then you will be able to solve the numericals easily. What are the important topics in this course where extra attention is to be given for final exam? I cannot tell you any important topics. All topics are important. I'm sorry to disappoint you that there is no particular topic which is important or particular topic which is not important. All right. So you have to carefully go through all these topics, please. All right. If numerical type questions do come for exam, which key areas should we concentrate to ace this exam? Again, I have already answered to your question that there is no key area as it is. Okay. Any type of you know. Sorry. So there is no particular area that you have to concentrate. All the areas should be concentrated. They are all important. And for any area, you can see that a numerical can be formed. And you have to revise that, those topics. Okay. Can I get an internship? Yes, the internships are given to those students who have topped the questions, so top the exam. On that, Mr. Murali Krishnan will throw some more light to you. Okay. After a successfully, so as I said, that internship you can get if you can do well in the exam, and you have to contact some professors, because I personally will not be able to take any internship. Okay. But there will be other professors available, so don't worry, you can get the internship anyway. Another doubt, it's regarding week 2 assignment, where you give questions regarding vibratory ball feeder. My question, you gave a formula, tan psi is more than tan theta by mu. Yes, that you can actually derive. All right, that you can derive. Just 1 minute, I just say that. Okay. Where should we consider angles to be small? Yeah, for what value of theta? See, the theta value, you try to understand that theta is actually the inclination. Okay, track inclination angle. So the track inclination angle becomes about 3 to 4 degrees. So that is quite a small, we can consider. In comparison to the other angles. So therefore, we have said that the theta is small. Okay, that is for 3 to 4 degrees. That's what we are asking, that for what values of theta should we consider the angle as small. Also, in your lecture, you said that if an by gn is equal to 1, then the parts in feeder begin to hop. But in the assignment, it is marked as the part not move. See, we said that the part begins to hop. It does not hop, it begins. Just it crosses the value of 1, an by gn, it will hop. You understand? There is a difference. Please try to distinguish that. An by gn is equal to 1 means part is ready to hop. Okay? An by gn, just it crosses the value of 1, it will hop and it will leave the track. Okay? That's what the explanation. I hope it is clear to all of you. All right. Yeah. So the questions that you have given in the Excel sheet that I have answered. All right. I hope it is clear to all of you. Any other question that you have, you can actually ask. Okay, there are some questions here. Let me see. Yeah, good evening, everybody. Kindly post your doubts once again. Any actual video of indexing machine? Okay. Mr. Aditya Gupta is asking, any actual video of indexing machine from industry? Well, I have not shown it to you, but you can actually get it in the YouTube. There are. So in the YouTube, if you search and you write that indexing machine, you can get the video. All right. I have not given because I didn't have much time. All right. In the course material is so vast that within the 10 lectures, it is very difficult to cover everything. So I didn't include any video. Next time I'll think of it, yes. But you can get it in the YouTube, I'm sure. Okay. All right, now who else? Let's see. Mr. Arun Kumar Rajendran, good evening. Okay. Yeah, it would have been very nice had you shown the small working videos of different types of feeders that you have discussed. I agree with you. I fully agree with you. So as I said, that material is really vast, and covering that entire material in 10 hours, 10 lectures, it's very, very difficult. Okay. So therefore, I could not show the videos and other things. So, but other in the future, I will remember this. Yes. Is the exam pen and paper mode? Yes, pen and paper mode means that it will be an objective type. So you don't have to write the detailed answers. Okay, you have to. I already told you that there will be two types of questions. One is the MCQ. You have to select one of the choices given, and the other type is the numerical type, where you have to solve the question and give the answer, write the answer. Okay. Do numericals going to have multiple choices and options? Mr. Vion Sarabhai, you are asking whether numericals will have multiple choices. No, numerical you have to solve, and the answer you have to write. Okay. There will be a dash, you have to write the answer. All right. Very few questions will have those choices as well, but there are very few. Mostly it will be, you have to write the answer. Okay. Escapements are used between the feed track and the feeder, or between the feed track and work carrier. Escapements are used between the feed track and the feeder. No, it is between the feed track, and when it is coming to the work carrier, just before coming to the work carrier, the escapement has to work. Escapement's job is to segregate the parts from the feed track, and one by one feeding those parts to the work carrier. So therefore it has to be between the feed track and the work carrier. Okay, hope it is clear. Okay. Just 1 minute. There are some other questions also. Yeah. Escapements, I said. Okay. Where do participants posting the query? Can you see their messages in the chat box? Yeah, I can see the messages in the chat box, and that's what I am answering to. How many MCQ are there going to be in main exam cell? So there will be, I don't remember exactly, but there will be overall, there will be, I think 50 questions. Okay. 10 questions in the part A. Yeah, there will be total 50 questions. All right. So out of those 50 questions, there are few questions which are MCQ and few questions numerical type. All right. Okay. What are the number of questions? 50. Yes. I am not getting what exactly is Geneva mechanism. Geneva mechanism I have discussed in great details. Okay. Geneva mechanism, mostly it is used when you need to have the you can convert the rotary motion to the interrupted motion. All right. So I have shown you the Geneva mechanism, how it is used to get the indexing machine. Okay, to get the indexing in the indexing machine rather. Okay. You can see the Geneva mechanism in more details in other courses like machine tool course or machining course. There the Geneva mechanism is discussed in great details. You can see in any book also. Mukund VG, you are asking, other than your lectures, can questions come from the textbooks which you recommend? No, I will be asking questions only from the lectures, only whatever I have discussed, only from the materials that I have discussed in the lecture classes. Okay. I cannot ask you, I don't have the moral right to ask you something that I have not discussed, by the way. I will not do that. Okay. AN by GN is normal track acceleration or just the track acceleration? No, this is the AN by GN is the normal track acceleration. Okay. Okay. Then, sir, can you please explain the worm escapement? Worm escapement. Yes, worm escapement is a very easy kind of mechanism. You can see that there is a worm, like in the case of the worm and worm gear. So just take out the gear, you have the worm. So if there are round shaped parts, for example, so they will come just one by one, okay, when the worm is rotating. So that way it will actually segregate the parts and one by one it will feed to the machine. That's the idea of the escapement. All right. You look at the diagram, it will be very clear. It's very easy and simple mechanism. Okay. Okay. When will be course class start? Mr. Vikas Kumar is asking, when will be course class start? I really don't understand your question very well, Mr. Vikas. Can you please clarify what do you exactly mean? All right. Overall, I would like to tell you one thing, that the if you revise the exam the course material that I have discussed throughout these lectures, you will not have any difficulty in answering the questions that will be coming in the exam. Okay. So overall, don't get stressed up for the exam. There will be simple questions, but those questions will be from all over the material, all over the topic, all over the course. Don't think that a particular topic should be given more importance, because you understand, for revision. Please revise everything that has been given in the courses, and the exam questions will be from all the topics. Absolutely. Okay, I will not give any importance to a particular topic. All right. Mr. Jaideep, you are asking, how can the cost of quality be constant? Well, we are assuming that this is constant. It's not fluctuating. This is just an assumption, Mr. Jaideep. Okay. Because the cost can go up and down depending on the market, and all that we are not considering. We are saying that suppose if the B is constant. Okay. Prior to that, Mr. Mukund is asking, for these doubt sessions, the Google form provided had a question, where do you want to have an individual session with you? Is it true, sir? Where do we want to have an individual session with you? No, we won't have any individual session. This is the session, live session, where you can clarify all your doubts. Okay, Mr. Mukund. Mr. Vivan Sarabhai, you are asking, can we get the solutions for week 2 assignments? That will be clarified by Mr. Murali Krishnan. Okay. your teaching and delivery skills are good. Thank you. Happy that got something new to learn. I am really happy if you can use this material, if you get benefited from this material. That's the only aim of delivering the questions, okay? Delivering the course. Okay. See, like all the teachers, my aim is that giving the material in such a way that you get benefited out of that. Okay, it becomes useful for you. So if it gets useful for you, if you get benefited, I'll be happy for you. Thank you. Now, Mr. Mukund, yeah, my blessings will always be with you. Okay, always be with you. We are like your parents. All right, we'll always bless you. We will always say that you do well in not only this course but in life overall. Be a good human being as well. Okay, that is our blessing. Thank you. For final, not only, as I said, not only for a final exam, you should do well in all aspects in your life overall. Okay, in your professional life, in your personal life as well. Mr. Sarabhai, thank you for your teaching, and Sarabhai, thank you for attending the course, and I hope you get benefited out of this. Mr. Mukund, okay, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. Vivian Sarabhai, thank you. Amothini, you are asking, are there any courses related to students pursuing robotics and automation? Of course, there are. There are. You can search that in the NPTEL courses, and you will find robotics courses. You will find automation courses separately, robotics and automation separately. There are plenty of them. You can find out in the NPTEL itself. You can find out small videos, small courses in the YouTube as well. Okay. Well, in the chat box right now, I don't see any other questions. So if you have any other question, you can ask. Okay, we still have a few minutes. Overall, once again, I wish all the best, not only for this course, as I said, that I wish you all the best in your life. Okay. Overall, be a good human being. That is the idea of the education. Okay, as you know. Mr. Amuthini, could you are asking, could you name, sir? Please go to that NPTEL course, list, and you just give the search. In the search, you give the robotics and automation. You will find the courses. Okay. Okay. So thank you. Thank all of you for attending the course. Thank you all for asking the questions. Okay. I'm happy that you are taking interest. All right. And I hope that once again, this course would be beneficial for you. All right. If you have any other question, you can put it in the forum for this course. I will answer these questions. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. The session is over. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I will stop the broadcast now.
Sure. Thank you.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye.